All right, here we are again. I had to go get a flashlight. Let's do this. All right, so we're inside the coach that we're doing this cell phone amplifier on. And here is the cable. That's from up top where I showed you. And now I got the wire, the mechanics wire, through the puck light. And that's right there. All right, so let's see. Okay, all right. See it moving there? Let's magnify it a little bit. All right. All right, so now what I'm going to do is show you. I'm going to cut this right here, and then I'm going to tape that onto here, and then I'm going to pull it through. All right, so I'll set all that up and show you. All right, as I promised you. All right, so what I did, the cable that was right here, all right, is back through here. All right, so what I did, I took mechanics wire like I showed you, put it in there. But what I did is tape this about 3 inches. All right, I'll get back. That is the coax cable right there. I even put an extra plastic end over this to protect it, and then I pulled it through. All right, so here we go. All right, I'm pulling it. I gotta watch those wires right there. So I'm gonna stick that up in there. All right, and I gotta be careful what I pull through there too. All right, because that's a lot of cable. All right, we're rolling up top now, and I'm gonna prep everything. Remember,